Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Show Me the Money Call. This is Akeisha Melford calling in from Berkeley, California. I am here in front of City Hall, and boy, oh boy, do I want to go in there and talk their ears off about this exciting company. I'm going to get out of the way, and what I want you to do is I want you to introduce yourself, state your name, and where you're calling from. Not everybody all at once. Come on, let's go ahead. Who's out there on the line with us tonight?
Paul Jackson, North on the East Coast. And
all right. Woohoo, Mr. Paul Jackson. Really appreciate you being on the call. Yes. All righty. Who else is out there? Give us a quick shout out before we get started here. We're going to get started in just a second.
Richard White from LaPorte, Texas.
All right, Mr. Richard White from LaPorte, Texas. Always around. Very glad to hear you on the line as well.
All right, thank you.
Absolutely. State your name and where you calling from. Don't be shy.
This is Lloyd Dixon from Oakland, California. Pick a spot and we're going to the top.
Woohoo! All right, there you go, Lloyd Gibson. Don't be creeping up on us. Woohoo! Nice to hear from you, Lloyd. Nice to hear from you. All right, this is Show Me the Money Call. Go ahead. Say your name and where you calling from. And if you could...
The conference is now in presentation mode. Your line is muted.
All right. This is Akeisha calling in from Berkeley, California. We've got an exciting call for you. This is a Show Me the Money Call, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Time. This call and this company is so amazing because we have the best products on the planet, and I am so excited. If you can't tell already, it's just amazing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of the way and let Mr. T, who's on the call, he's in flight from Canada where they were burning it up. It was so hot. They ran him ragged out there. This company is so just huge, okay? So I want to let him tell you about it. Mr. T, go ahead and take it away.
Oh, boy, Keisha, thank you so much. I can tell you I am just so grateful for the B-Boost, the D-Power, and that sales.
I bet you are.
Oh my goodness! And folks, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do my part first, Akeisha, if that's okay, because I'm literally hunkered down in one of these rooms where you get powered up and plugged up. So I don't want to talk too loud or too long, and my flight leaves in about 20-30 minutes. But folks, the excitement is crazy, incredible. From Canada, we'll do an update call maybe on Thursday or Tuesday of next week. We may even bring some of the leaders that are on board. I'm telling you, folks, I've never experienced anything like it. We had our first little pre-launch event on Sunday. We had over 40 people. We've been meeting with leaders nonstop since. They were waking me up in the morning, and we were doing meetings until 1 a.m. or 1 o'clock last night or 1 o'clock this morning. Before I left, there were people calling, trying to get sprays, trying to arrange to get sprays. There's people trying to figure out how they can get in the system before we even officially launch the country of Canada. And folks, I'm not just talking about, we got people who have right now 8,000 in their downline in other organizations, people making big money in other companies, and they're looking at the opportunity that we have here, and they're saying, Mr. T, what can I do to help you make sure that this company launches perfectly and perfectly fine here in Canada, because this product will rock and roll. Hey, can you use this one over here? This one right over here. Yeah, this one over here. So anyways, folks, we have an amazing opportunity here with 10, and I just want to tell you, share this with as many people as quickly as you can. Real quick, Akeisha, I'm going to go over the comp plan real quick, and I'll let you, Mr. Paul Jackson, Platinum Paul Jackson, close out the call. But just for you brand new people who are out there, just know there's 10 plus ways to get paid with 10. We have the retail portion of our comp plan, which is second to none. We have people earning anywhere from 100% to 200% profit just by retailing these sprays to friends and family. Every single person that you talk to can use at least one and maybe three, and in most cases, all 5 of our sprays that we have in motion right now. It was just crazy, y'all. I don't even have the time to get into it, but it was just just amazing just to see the reaction and the receptiveness of people just when we talked about the sprays. And then the opportunity, once they understood the opportunity, it was through the roof. You know, I was talking to my cousin, and I have two cousins. One is Callie Prince, who you all would get a chance to meet, just dynamic individual. He was definitely key in helping get all this together. And then my other cousin, Diana. But, you know, we were talking about the product and people were just like, oh, my God. But then we talked about the money. It was just simply out of control. Retail portion of our comp plan, folks, is nothing to sleep on. The Fast Start bonuses, $25 to $200 per person that you bring in. The team weekly cycles where you can earn up to $5,000 a day. The residual commissions where you can earn up to $150,000 a month. And you'll talk, Mr. T, that's just big money. That's just dream money. I mean, that's just... Folks, we have people right now internationally who are earning over $150,000 a month with our My Video Talk divisions. We can do this, and there are going to be people earning over $100,000 here with 10 with our residual component. We have the 1-star, the 2-star, the 5-star, the 10-star, where you can earn free trips to Disney World, Disneyland for you and your family. We got the car bonus, and that was another thing. We spoke with the individual. He joined another company just for the car bonus, and I won't name the company, but he actually joined that company just to get the car bonus. When I explained to him what we had here, he pulled out his phone and he gave us about 5 to 7 leaders who have built organizations, like I said, 50,000, opened up countries for other companies. And he said, Mr. T, here you go. Let's go to work. Let's make this happen. So, folks, we have an amazing compensation plan to couple along with these amazing sprays and the trim. And I can go on and on, but just know this, seize the moment, seize the day, share this with passion and excitement with everyone that you come in contact with, because it will pay dividends in the long run. With that being said, Akeisha, I know that was straight to the point and quick. I'm going to turn it back to you. Appreciate your leadership and consistency. I know Dr. Brazel couldn't make it on the call tonight. There's a lot of rain where he's at in Houston, Texas, so he sort of got flooded out a little bit. Not him, but a lot of people that he knows, so he's helping them out. So I appreciate you being consistent, and also Mr. Paul Jackson stepping up to the plate tonight. So with that being said, I'm going to flip it back to you. I'm going to sign off, rock and roll. Let's close it out, and I'll see everybody on the Thursday call. Thank you, Akeisha.
Woohoo, Mr. T, your leadership is so amazing, and we really appreciate you. Always, always. Just so grateful for everything that you do. And we know the reason why you do it. This company is just fantastic. It's phenomenal is what it is. You share the opportunity, and the opportunity is so amazing. But amazingly, it works. It works because of what I'm about to share with you. The products that we have, these team effort network intraoral sprays, are just amazing. And then you top that off with the newest product, Trim by 10, and you have more than a winner. You have game changers, game rewriters all over the place, and there's so many more products on the way. Patented formulations all over the place. You name it. I mean, the power is really here in the products, in the core of the company. The number one product that the company has, according to Mel and Amy Gill, is changing people's lives. These products are, in fact, changing people's lives, and that's why you saw the excitement that you saw in Canada and here in the United States with our products. First up, without further ado, is our D-Power product. And before that, I want to preface it with the fact that people cannot swallow pills. Nobody likes swallowing pills. Some people don't have an issue with that, but how many people really don't have an issue swallowing pills? Nobody likes to take pills. Back that up with the absorption rate of pills. It's horrible. You get, if you're lucky, if you have the best metabolism on the planet, you might get a little less than 20%. And there's binders and fillers in the pills. Fillers can be dangerous for your health. If you don't need it in you, why put it in you? But everybody, 7+ billion people around the globe, need vitamins, and we have them in intraoral spray form. Vitamin deficiency wreaks havoc on the body and its different organ systems. And you'd be amazed at what you'll uncover if you start digging and doing a little research. But I'm going to tell you, our products are so, so amazing. We can't make claims of prevention, treatment, cure, disease. What we have in our hands, we have testimonials. We have hardcore testimonials that say, this is what D-Power did for me. This is what D-Boost did for me. And speaking of which, D-Power contains vitamin D3 and vitamin E. We know vitamin D3 as the sunshine vitamin, and without it, there's tons of things that can go wrong. And I'm not an alarmist at all, but I need to be real with you. I need to be real and tell you that you need the proper amount of vitamin D3 in your system. The amazing thing about intraoral sprays is that it delivers 98% of the nutrition contained in the sprays. That's what intraoral sprays do. Now, we have the highest quality ingredients in our sprays. Okay, so that's the D-Power. Our B-Boost spray I love the B-Boost spray because it gives me energy, but not only that, it does so much. It contains vitamin B3, B6, and B12. And the B vitamins are great for a whole lot of things. But what a lot of people don't know, besides the energy, is that it helps to maintain this proper organ function. So your organs really, really need B12, B3, and B6. So you need those vitamin Bs in your system along with the others. So that's our B-Boost spray. Our next spray is Super 10. Super 10 is an underrated product that we have, but it is a monster. Let me tell you, it does so, so much. It contains 10 superfoods, nutrients, antioxidants, and minerals. Is just amazing what this product does. And we discovered by accident that you can actually use it as a topical agent. You spray it right on you and you get immediate results. I was one of those people who sprayed it on my ankle when my ankle swole up. And let me tell you, it wasn't long before my ankle went down. It blew my socks off. So Super 10 is fantastic. It gets rid of the toxins in your body, inflammation, age-related macular degeneration, just brain health, nerve health, muscle function. It helps to build muscle cells. It's just amazing what the ingredients in our Super 10 spray does. Every athlete on the planet needs to be on Super 10. Every kid on the planet should be on Super 10. These products are safe for children. I could go on and on about the health benefits, but I'm going to switch over to our Cell Energy spray. Cell Energy is fantastic. It's the world's first because it contains glutathione. Mel and Amy Gill were able to put glutathione into a spray. Oh my gosh. By the way, we love Mel and Amy Gill, not only because they have given us these wonderful products and we're making some pretty money off of these sprays, but also because on a more serious note, they are changing people's lives. We've been changed by these sprays. The moment I was changed by D-Power, I was all in. I was all in, no questions about it. You know, the day I wasn't hooked on my asthma medications because of the D-Power, I realized, okay, I need to figure out who this company is, who the ownership team is, where they plan this company, and what else do you have? I want it. And that's exactly what I did, and here I am today. It was back in April. You need to be on board. You need to try it for yourselves and get your own testimonial, and that's what it's all about, because this is what you need to do. You need to go out and share this information with other people. And I didn't mean to go off on a tangent, but I said that to say this. These sprays are powerful, and Cell Energy is certainly no different. It contains glutathione, alpha-lipoic acid, resveratrol, and it also contains a natural caffeine. It is just, it's amazing. You have to Google each one of those ingredients and see what it does. It's just amazing that we have all of those in one spray. I have my doctor on the Cell Energy. He was so excited to start using it. It's just amazing. I gave him the Super 10 as well. He was excited to start using that. And when he took it from me, I said, "Are you going to use it?" He goes, "Yeah, I'm going to use it." He said, "It's going to have me all over the place." I said, "It sure will." But he recognized that the nutrition packed into those sprays, and not only that, the quality of what's in those sprays and the delivery method, okay? So his medical background, education, training, experience had to agree with the facts. he already knew before he started spraying that he was going to have a testimonial. And that's exactly what we want for you. Now, our last spray is our Slim by 10. Our Slim by 10 spray is so amazing. It's packed with 5 powerhouse nutritional ingredients: Garcinia cambogia, Caralluma fimbriata. That's number 1 and the number 2 appetite that you can use to control your cravings, curb your appetite. And Garcinia cambogia goes further than that. It blocks the fat-making process. And that's absolutely fantastic. And then we have African mango packed into the spray as well. African mango does so much. It helps to shrink your waistline. It helps to clean you out discreetly. It does so in a way that doesn't make you feel like you tended to the bathroom. And that's amazing in itself. It also contains green tea extract and green coffee extract, burning up the fat. With all that blocking, burning, and waistline reducing, and I mean, there's curbing of, cravings. There's so much going on in that spray. People have been getting massive results, and they've been getting them quickly. Now, moving on, and I'm moving on from Slim by 10 because you're going to combine Slim by 10 with our newest product, Trim by 10, and what you have is a tasty, healthy weight loss management solution. It's just amazing. We call it THW. Trim by 10. Oh gosh, it's such an amazing product, but I'm going to tell you, it's packed with some ancient grains and ingredients. And let me tell you, formulating this product, you had to yield to the laws of nature because of what was in it. It is a drink. It is not a spray. It's a tasty drink, and it's so convenient. It's convenient, just like the sprays. The sprays are easy, fast, and convenient, and they're effective. And so is Trim by 10. Okay, you mix it in a glass of water and you drink it, and you don't get that nasty taste sensation after you drink it. And I've been getting some text messages from business partners saying, oh my gosh, what is in this stuff? And I've been hearing testimonials on the call. I was hearing testimonials almost as soon as we got the first samples of this product. And I was like, okay, no way. I have to try it for myself to have my own testimonial, because this is just crazy. I want to know for myself. And I want you guys to know for yourself. Try the product. That's the bottom line. But more than that, share it. Don't keep it to yourself, okay? Our Trim by 10, what I didn't say about Trim by 10 is it's packed with 8 ingredients, and 4 of those ingredients are combined into a proprietary formulation, okay? The world has never seen this formulation before. Hello, we have it. This formulation is so huge, combined with the other 4 ingredients, that it's taken this company to tens of millions of dollars in the next month coming up. I'm so excited to see what this product does, how quickly it does it, and with a major bang. I'm just so excited about what we have in our hands. I'm going to end it there. I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Paul Jackson. But Mr. Paul Jackson, aren't you so excited about what we have in our hands? Are you out there?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for such a magnificent capsulation of these phenomenal and remarkable products. I share your enthusiasm, and you were most eloquent in imparting how these products are so phenomenal and they can provide such a impact and impact for so many who embrace it. Magnificent job, Atisha. You definitely are the lady that gets it done in the AM and the PM, and I celebrate everything you do to raise our brand. But what I want to do in the absence of Dr. Brazel, who has challenges in Texas, as Mr. T alluded to earlier, I want to put certain emphasis on how phenomenal and how lucrative this compensation plan is that's provided by Team Effort Network. As a business owner, when I was drawn to this company, I was able to see that which resonated with me, which was a beacon light that really drew me. It was phenomenal in that this compensation plan was so highly lucrative, providing 2 six-figure income potential earnings in this compensation plan. That really resonated with me. But in simple terms, I was able to see that a person coming into this business, starting with just 2 business partners in the month of January or the beginning of when they come into this company, in a 12-month period of duplication, 2 business partners leading to 2 and showing those 2 how to duplicate themselves to 2 could conceivably have a network that would generate 8,190 partners. That would provide a monthly income of $22,750 per month. To me, that was powerful. As a business owner, we are big on residual income, and that was very evident. Now, we are expanding to Canada. Mr. T has mentioned that, and this pre-launch is going to be significant. Significant not only for those who embrace the opportunity, because it is the opportunity of a lifetime, but they're in position to benefit early. And it doesn't have to be Canada. Anyone that comes in this business, you're in a prime position to realize that which can be highly lucrative. It's merely understanding that we are coming out of concentration and going into big momentum. Big momentum is when a company brings about significant growth and wealth is imminent and financial reward and enhancement is right in front of you. This CEO, Mel and Amy Gill, shared with us that he's taking the company to $50 million through this remarkable THW product that Akeisha alluded to earlier. What that means is that if $50 million is imminent and will be generated in a 12 to 18 month period, we can partake in whatever share of that we want, just by positioning ourselves to build a network of 2 business partners leading to 2 and showing those 2 how to duplicate themselves and realize the position of executive in our company. Now, Vicky Two-Car Soto, is a lady who has distinguished herself in leadership in this company, but she gave us the formula to bring about the visualization of how one could realize and formulate a plan and strategy to realize the car bonus. She merely said you only have to generate 8 executives on the left, 4 executives on the right, and you are in car position. Now, with summer coming, a convertible Mercedes is something that's attainable for a lot of people, or BMW for that matter. But to have a company pay the car note, $600, $1,200, or $3,000 a month, that is a bonus. And if I could take it one step further, when you consider that a mortgage payment of $2,500 a month can be realized in this business, where a company can offset your mortgage by $2,500 a month, that is phenomenal. What companies do that? And you complement that with a 70% payout, that's beyond comprehension. This is so big. But I would say to our listening audience, if you understand that we are in prime position, we have the inside track to the next multi-million-dollar brand. And it is provided through the leadership of the CEO, who has their networking team at heart. And they compensate us for sharing these remarkable products and allowing people to realize a change in their lives. This is comparable to being at the beginning of Ray Kroc's McDonald's, Steve Jobs' Apple, Bill Gates' Microsoft, and Mark Zuckerberg's Facebook. If you are in front of a new paradigm shift and you precede the masses, wealth is imminent. And I will close out by saying, in Dr. Brazel's absence, I advocate and subscribe to his teachings and what he imparts to us about aspiring to be a part of the NBA. Now, we know that basketball season is in effect now, but when he say NBA, he's not talking about the National Basketball Association. He's talking about being in a position where you're never broke again. There are no financial limitations. Being in the NFL is when you have no financial limitations, when you have choices that you can provide for financial freedom, provide for a legacy, and have the choices of realizing a magnificent life. So I say to you, you can partake of any part of this you'd like. You don't have to believe you can, Just find someone who believes they can and hitch your wagon to them until your belief comes. You don't have to be the sharpest knife in the drawer. All you have to do is be in the drawer with the other sharp knives, because association brings about assimilation. Back to you, Akeisha. Are you there?
I am here, Mr. Paul Jackson. Thank you so very much for those profound words. And I'm going to tell you, everything you said is right on the money. It's just so amazing, the opportunity that we have in our hands. And with that, I'm going to just tell you, you need your next step. Your next step is to get back with the person who directed you to the phone call. Your next step is to take action. Do something today. Take action for yourself and for your loved ones on down through the generations. This is it. This is your vehicle. Now, with that, I'm going to close out the call. Have a great evening. Go out there, share what you heard, and take action. This call is officially over.